Good morning bachas, how are you all? Today I am back again with a new video in EVS. And do you want to know which topic we are going to do today? Yes, it's food. Today we are going to learn about food. Okay children? So, why do we need food? In the previous video of living things and non-living things, we had done a characteristic that we all living things need food, right? And who all are living things? We human beings, birds, animals, insects, plants, trees, all are living things and we all need food to eat. Okay? Children, you know there are mainly two kinds of food. One is healthy food and one is junk food. But first, we'll do with the healthy food. Okay? Ready children? Okay. Healthy food. See all the pictures over here. See, there are so many vegetables. Then there is milk and milk products like ghee, cheese, yogurt. Then there are South Indian dishes also like idli, dosa, medu vada, and there are so many leafy vegetables like spinach, fenugreek, coriander, and so many fruits also. And see, here it is full meal like roti, sabzi, salad, rice and dal. Okay, all these food belongs to what? Yes, it belongs to healthy food and we should always eat healthy food. Why do we eat healthy food? Because they all give us vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and you know, eating lot of leafy vegetables, they are very good for our eyes. And milk also gives lot of calcium, and calcium is very necessary to make our bones strong and our teeth also strong. And children, healthy food also makes us very active and it also gives us the power to fight with the diseases and all viruses, and it also gives us energy to work and play. So you should always eat healthy food and always eat homemade food. And one more thing, don't waste food, okay children? And children, apart from all these food, people also eat food like chicken, egg, fish. They are also called healthy food and those people are called non-vegetarians. Okay children? So the people who eat all these kind of food, they are vegetarians, and the people who eat fish, egg, chicken, they are called non-vegetarians. Okay? And see, look at this smiley. Why are they smiling? Because it is eating all these healthy food. Right?
Look here. So many food items are here like pizza, sandwich, burger, yes, this candy, this chocolates, cake, ice cream, this noodles, samosa, isn't it? And I know children, you all love this kind of food very much, and this kind of food are very yummy, but they are not good for your tummy. Children, do you know this kind of food are not good for our health and they makes us lazy and inactive. But children, it's okay to eat such type of food sometimes, not always. Understood? So children, you should eat healthy food to live a happy life.
So children, eat healthy, look healthy, think healthy and live healthy, and let healthy food be your medicines. Now children, it's time for activity, and I know you all love to do this playway exercise. And see, there are some pictures drawn over here of healthy food and junk food. And here what you have to do, you have to tick the healthy food and put a cross on the junk food. So are you ready children? Okay, let's see our first picture. What are these? Yes, these are fruits. And fruits are healthy food or junk food? Yes, they are healthy food. So what do we do when it is healthy? Yes, we put a tick. So let's put a tick. Yes. And now which is the second picture? Cold drinks, ice creams. But are they healthy or they are junk food? Yes, they are junk. So what do we do for junk food? We put a cross. So let's put a cross. Yes. And what is this? South Indian food. Idli, dosa, mendu vada, and all these are healthy food or junk food? Yes, they are healthy. So we put a tick. Okay. Now, what is this? Chocolates, muffin, pastry. But are they healthy? No, they are junk food. So we put a cross. And what is this? Milk and milk products like yogurt, cheese, and all these are healthy food. So we put a tick. Okay, children? And what is this? French fries, burger, pizza, and noodles. And all these are favorite food, right? But it is not good for our health. So they are junk food, and we put a cross. Let's put a cross. Yes. And see, full meal. Fish, egg, salad, sabzi, dal, rice, roti, and these are all healthy food. So we put a tick. And what is this? Chips and kurkure. But are they healthy? No, they are not so healthy. So we put a cross. So let's put a cross. Yes. And what are these? Vegetables. Healthy vegetables. And all these veggies are so good for your health. So they are healthy food. And we put a tick on healthy food. So let's put a tick. So did you all enjoy doing this exercise?
Very good. After playway exercise is trying to draw some pictures of healthy food and junk food. Yes children, shall we start? Now for that, in your book on the top, we will write first heading. For heading, capital letter F, then script letter O, again script letter O and script letter D. And in first line, we will write first capital letter H, first letter capital and remaining letters are in script. Then E, A, L, T, H, Y, healthy, and then leave some space, script letter F, then O, D, healthy food. Now first picture is, look at here. For that we will draw first V, then from here curve, opposite curve and join with this curve, and from here go up with slanting line, leave some space, again go up with slanting line and join with small slanting line, and here slanting line and make one curve, opposite curve for leaf. Got it? Now next picture is, yes, for next picture we will draw first slanting line, go down with slanting line and again go up with slanting line and join with slipping line. Now here in the middle, standing line, leave some space, standing line and join with small slipping line, and from here slanting line, leave some space, slanting line, join with slanting line. Same way here. Now here outside, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. This side also make some slanting line, and inside this small standing line. Yes, what is this? Yes, it's carrot. Now next picture is, now you have to draw first triangle, then opposite triangle. Yes, make star, and around this star make one circle. Now tomato. What is this? Yes, it's tomato. Now next picture is, for next picture you will draw first slipping line, go up with slanting line and again slanting line. Same way here, go up with slanting line, then slanting line and standing line. Both sides and both lines should be same. Now from here, slanting line, slanting line. Here, slanting line and joint with slipping line. Now, in this square, we will write capital letter M, I, L, K, milk. What is this? Yes, milk. And for milk, here we will draw 1 glass of milk. Make oval shape first. Then slanting line, opposite slanting line and join with slipping line. Inside curve, opposite curve and draw some small slipping line. Yes, milk. Now next picture is, now for that, slipping line, leave some space, slipping line and join with C curve, opposite C curve. Here standing line. Here also standing line and join with curve. And from here, make some curves for rice. And put some dots inside. Here also. Yes, rice. And with rice, yes. Slipping line small, leave some space, small slipping line. Join with C curve, opposite C curve. Standing line and join with curve. And for dal, do yellow color in this oval shape. Got it, children? Now look here. Yes, apple, carrot, tomato, dal rice, milk, these all are healthy food. Now take the next page and we will draw junk food. So we will write first heading. Capital letter J, then script letter U, N, K. Junk, leave some space, script letter F, O, D. Junk food. Now for first picture we will draw first. Make one circle like this and inside go up with slanting line, come down with slanting line and make some circles inside like this and put some dots. Yes, pizza. What is this? Pizza. For next picture we will draw first slipping line, leave some space, another slipping line and join with C curve, opposite C curve and make one semicircle shape like this. Yes. Now from here, slanting line, opposite slanting line and join with slipping line. Now from here, go up with slanting line, leave some space, again go up with slanting line and slipping line, join with oval shape. Now in this class, we will write, yes, Coke. McD no Coke with it? Yes. Now for next picture, again we will draw first slipping line, then go up with slanting line small, come down, same way here and standing line, here slanting line and join with slipping line. Now inside this square, draw one slanting line, leave some space, again draw one slanting line and write in this. We will write first capital letter L, A, Y, S, lace. Now outside this square, draw one oval shape and another draw one oval shape like this and inside this oval shape make some slanting line like this. Yes, lace. Now for next picture we will draw first big oval shape like this. Now in between make one slanting line, leave some space, again one slanting line like this and from here go up with slanting line and come down with slanting line and make curves. Same way here, go up with slanting line, come down with slanting line and join with curves. And inside this, make 2 slipping lines. So kids, this all are junk food. Did you all understand what are healthy food and what are junk food? Yes. Now children, you have to do drawing practice in your book at home. Okay children? Bye. Take care.